is the most trustworthy political summit because it really reflected many wisdom. But you know, you just throw it away. So what we are saying is that we need a constitution from Nigeria for Nigeria, and not constitution made for Nigeria, and that is why we are. And as a 1961 was the first one where our people gathered. They started intimidation, where they gathered, and they came out that let us put on that one. Constitution is not static, only stable, because it continues to evolve, to accommodate new changes, and to define new processes that we're going to do. So that's why I say let us take that 1963 constitution. And even if the military don't overtake do government by then, the constitution was face a lot of series of amendments, not that. So thank you.